Hello, it's Cici from Hisingi. Today we're going to talk about how to connect the controller with your drone. So let's take the drone first. We have to remove the fuselage first from upper. And then you will see a very tiny button right here. And then now we have to make sure that we're connecting the power. Oh, here we go. And we just press this tiny button for, I would say, 5 seconds. Make sure you're really pressing it. And then you will see at the end, at the bottom, the light is flashing rapidly with rainbow color. Yeah, and now we put it back. Now it's time for the controller. So we press the purple button right here. And then we press the power button at the same time. For 3 seconds, I would say. Then you will feel the vibration from the controller, and that means that it's connected successfully. You will also see the flashing light stops, and now it's just with this light blue color. That means you connected successfully.